Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today we're gonna have a special guest, which will be the Z Flip 5G. This is the new phone from the Samsung. Like you see, it's brand new option. Let's take a look at the label. This is the model of it. This is the Mystic Gray, 256 GB of memory. There is the two slot of SIM card, and that's it about the box. As we see, it's all. So we need to have to open it. So let's start with it. Check. One and two open. As you see, there is a small hole on the front of the box, so it's Z Flip. Nice. Okay, so look at inside the box. On the upper side we have Paperworks with the key. Let's take a look at the paperwork. Too bad. It's a warranty card, a mine instruction, and the log guide of this. Now here is Galaxy Z Flip, but and don't understand language. Future change the site. Okay. Care instruction. Wow. Care instruction on the phone. Don't press the screen of the front camera lens with a hard or sharp object, such as pen or your fingernail. Doing so could result in scratching or puncturing them. That is it. So we need a folding device with the item like this, like key. The device is not water or dust resistant. Wow, it's new. All of my phone now is water resistant. This phone isn't resistant. Too bad. We recommend to keep the attached film to protect your screen. So it's not made by glass, I think. And your device contains magnets. Keep safe distance between the device and object that may affect be magneted, so as credit card, and that's it. On the back side we have, when using wireless charger, fold the device, place center on the device back, and this we have a coil of our phone. So I need to check it. How you look, baby? How you look? Because I have first in my life the phone which is a fold. So that is it. Look at the back side. It's a very nice made glass. It is perfect with the touch. Very nice and very elegant. There is a Samsung logo on the down. Wow, so nice. Okay, on the left side we have a hole for my SIM card. Of course, on the down we have a USB-C port and the speaker. The upper side we have a mic in. Of course we can fold it, because I don't know why we want to fold it in this shape. I don't know, it's a little big here, so it's been useless for me. Okay, let's try to turn it on. As you see, we have a screen protector already fitted on the LCD. Okay, we're gonna wait before the phone is wake up, and we're gonna look inside. There is a service guide. The charger, this is a standard charger like in S10 or an S20, and USB-C cable and standard AKG speakers. That's it. Let's try to start the phone. I'm gonna be add the wireless connecting. Wow. But I see this this stripe here on the center of the phone. I hope you're gonna see like this with the LEDs. Yep, do you see that? I don't like it so much. This little hole. Don't copy. And the frame isn't good for me. As you see, we have a little hole here within the frame and the LCD. Don't copy. Skip it. More and accept. Google. Skip. Skip one more time. Next. Done. And that's it. We are in, and we are started with the Galaxy Z Flip. I want to know what I'm gonna be do when I try to close it. There is a sound. Oh, the LCD is on the front. Wow. It's a small LCD with the notification. It's very, very, very fine. Wow. It's look very, very nice. I can wake up it with this button. Okay. And open it. So it's like a Motorola V3. If you remember that, just leave me a like. Of course, it's I think it's S10 camera. As I see, this is very, very low. It's not a good camera, I think. Not the highest version, I suppose, and more of the function of the Z Fold is same like S20, S10, and more of this products from Samsung. There is nothing to do when I do this like this, 90 degrees. When I close it, there is sound, and this notification LCD give me some information. So that's it about unboxing. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!